Jim Rogers is a well-known name in investment and finance who has a great deal of respect. Rogers has made a name among seasoned investors and passionate beginners because of his shrewd investment ideas. Cove Market says his financial industry success has led to wealth. While the exact details of Jim Rogers' net worth remain undisclosed, his exceptional efforts have earned him a fortune. What is Jim Rogers' net worth and salary in 2023? Jim Rogers has a net worth of $300 million in 2023. Investments, asset valuations, and market volatility can affect net worth calculations. Jim Rogers overview. Early life. Akbar Jim Rogers was born in Baltimore, Maryland, United States on October 19, 1942. He had many formative experiences as a child that helped him become the successful adult. Akbar's work ethic and intense curiosity shaped Jim Rogers' childhood. He was raised in a family that valued education and encouraged him to pursue his passions. His upbringing taught him the value of perseverance, hard work, and drive, which would later serve as the cornerstone for his success in life. Akbar Jim Rogers started experimenting with many interests and pastimes. Eventually found his passion for investing and economics. He studied economics and business to become a successful investor and financial expert. Akbar Jim Rogers experienced many difficulties and setbacks in his early years. But he overcame them all thanks to his tenacity and drive. His early experiences impacted the person he would become and contributed to his success in finance and investing. Career. Rogers' professional career kicked off on Wall Street. Here, he made a name for himself with his sharp intellect and unconventional investment strategies. He co-founded the successful hedge fund Quantum Fund in the early 1970s. Rogers' investment skills helped the Quantum Fund return 4,200% in 10 years. Jim Rogers has strongly advocated investing in Rogers International Commodities Index, particularly during economic uncertainty. His contrarian viewpoint and long-term outlook have enabled him to spot profitable possibilities. Thanks to his knack for foreseeing market shifts, Rogers has earned a reputation as an intelligent and visionary investor. Personal life. In 1966, Rogers married his first wife, Lois Biener. Their union, however, was short-lived, and they divorced in 1969. He then married Jennifer Skolnick in 1974, but this marriage ended in divorce in 1977. It wasn't until 2000 that Rogers found lasting love with wife Paige Parker, an author whom he met during one of his many travels. Paige Parker and Jim Rogers embarked on a Guinness-recognized journey together, traveling through 116 countries and covering 245,000 kilometers between 1999 and 2002. Rogers won the Thames Cup as an Oxford undergraduate and rowing blue in Henley-on-Thames, where he married on January 1, 2000. Their relationship has been marked by adventure, mutual respect, and shared interests. Rogers and Parker moved to Singapore and live amazing lives with their daughters Happy and Beeland. Despite their age gap, the couple's love story shows the power of shared passions and the significance of choosing. Why is Jim Rogers famous? Jim Rogers' investment success and financial influence made him famous. He became a visionary investor by investing in emerging economies before they became global powerhouses. FAQs about Jim Rogers. What is Jim Rogers' investment philosophy? Jim Rogers' investment philosophy politics and economics revolves around long-term thinking and contrarian investing. He finds inexpensive assets and new markets before others do. Has Jim Rogers ever had any notable investment failures? Jim Rogers has had many investment successes and disasters. His 1990s investment in Russia lost a lot during the financial crisis. What books have Jim Rogers authored? Jim Rogers has authored several books that provide insights into his investment strategies and experiences. Some of his notable works include Investment Biker, Around the World with Jim Rogers, A Bull in China, Investing Profitably in the World's Greatest Market. Other books include Hot Commodities, How Anyone Can Invest Profitably in the World's Best Market, Street Smarts, Adventures on the Road and in the Markets. Has Jim Rogers made any predictions that turned out to be particularly accurate? Jim Rogers predicts markets well. In the early 2000s, when commodities were undervalued, he was positive on gold and silver. Commodity prices rose in the years after his prediction. Before China became a worldwide powerhouse, Rogers advised investing in China. Is Jim Rogers still actively investing? Yes, Jim Rogers is still actively involved in investing and providing insights into the financial markets. Does Jim Rogers offer investment advice to individual investors? Jim Rogers frequently discusses stock market movements but does not give investing advice. He advises investors to do their homework, follow global economic changes, and think independently. Jim Rogers' 2023 net worth and salary are unknown, but his success is clear. Rogers, a great investor, has made huge profits and amassed fortune. He is well known in finance for his contributions and investment acumen. Jim Rogers' wisdom inspires and guides investors, securing his investing legacy. Finally, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe us to learn more interesting information about celebrities.